Hello everyone, let's now move further with another type of the hairstyle. Here we are going to take the few strands of the hair and we are going to give them the internal twist one after the another as apparent on your screens. Once we are done with the internal twist, now it's time to just fix them at the proper position together using a common rubber band. The rest of the hair is also tied up and converted into the lower ponytail. Then the another rubber band is to be inserted. Then you just have to take the lower area and put it inside this type of bunny type of the look. This looks quite good and quite simple. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further with this type of the hairstyle. We are taking few strands from the two ends and fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band. Then the two divisions are made and then from the one side we are going to build a braid. From the another one we are going to repeat. Then using this type of the tool you are going to take these braids and get them out from the upper side of the hair and fix them at the proper position into the pin with the help of this chewed rubber band. Let's move further with another type of the hairstyle. First make a high ponytail. Then after that you just have to loosen some of the hair from the top of the area so that you can just pull the faux hole here inside and it looks so good and so simple. You can definitely give this one a try. This is so simple and cool and it's very less time consuming also. You can decorate it with some type of the fancy hair accessories. Let's move with this type of the hairstyle. Is best suitable for the long length hair. As you can see, we are just taking some of the hair from one side and we are building it into the braid as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video if you will get confused at any particular step. You can see how we are going to build the whole strands into this type of the braid as apparent on your screens. It will give a rubber band type of the look and it's going to look so nice on your hair. Thank you for watching our videos.